Hello and welcome back to Joyce News TV, a home for lovers of freedom, and welcome if you are new. On this channel, we will be bringing you latest news and gist and more. So feel free to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime we upload new video. In this particular video, I am going to be watching with you. With that being said, let's get into the video.
Okay, now Biafrans all over the world. Emana, enwelike at times. Ane some of you or don't know ka egwu ka na-egwu. Ane with information. Some of you are now futiano ajambene. Just a few minutes ago, Kanu koloni ifende bubago na-emene Anambra State. Just a few minutes ago, Kanu won the operation of bubago criminals in Anambra State. Just a few minutes ago. Just a few minutes ago, Kanu informed about the meeting they called. Let's listen to what happened. Let me bring somebody in. I'm not going to say anything. I will allow the person to say it by himself. Now you will listen. Pay close attention. My brother, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes.
My brother, I just Umunwaji picture. Maga like he go see on Facebook because go see now Facebook will block him. Man, he no abu picture onye nwulanwu kan na anya now. And after onye nwulanwu be Ekene, right?
Yes.
My brother biko gwa mi femel.
Yeah, I'm going to be female.
Go ahead and repeat it so the whole world are listening.
Okay. This is early this morning, around 10 to 11 o'clock a.m. this morning. So after we have a village meeting. So after came at the village meeting, total side. So after the gunshot, everybody.
My brother, you will hold on. My brother, you will hold on for me. The village meeting agal no tutwa or the village meeting in Nyela announced. Now no when they call for village meeting, if they are for some things or the same village meeting kine kumakia.
All the Koyawa, yes, all the Koyawa.
Okay, very good. Okay, Kejeluzi the village meeting. One okay Ubuea Ekene so we the meeting. Now warn people because I put them online, warn up people, do not go to that meeting. So Ekene got that meeting and what happened?
So after Kabas the meeting, so I over Alabago, so I present in total side. So Nuzi gunshot like 3 times. So I open Abulagazi also. See that all those people don't come, then don't come. So everybody can go. So one day attack is a machine because one day attack is a machine. Also. So like 3 to 4 minutes after everywhere clear. Like one day she attacks it back. Or there's a do machine here about to appear. So man was in the Bible sinazo. Now there's a boy very so the Mbwa and Nisi or thereby was immediately more. So Ekene win a woman na God because I talk I got a chief of man. Abo meeting. Ekene being from Mabuya. I don't know how from Mabuya well respected citizen. Ekene got the meeting. Ekene and Ekubiko Ekene abu member of IPOB. But can I be a member of IPOB?
Hold on. Now, Jogenazi, Ekene, Abu Eastern Security Network member.
No.
Okwife Ekene mebuna Ekene ga meeting, the same meeting na ngwa people onyaga kwana. Okwife Ekene ga. Okay,
yes.
okay, now tell me, will any member of your family be IPOB member?
Mba.
Or will any member of your family be ESM member?
Mba, no.
Okay, now, that meeting, Ekene, your brother, Gal. Ekene, your brother, and Ekumakia, Eba Honeke Kennedy.
I had 26, 27.
26, 27 years. That meeting, Ekene, Gal.
Yes.
Or so say Ekene, Bonye, Gal, that meeting, na family own.
Yes, here village meeting, here youth, yes, also I be Ghana and
Okay.
other family relative, and because no village this thing they are.
Mommy on a gather meeting.
Mba, mommy maduna youth.
Okay, very good. Now, so Ekene ga meeting koje zo kwabo. Na nata awewe Ekene tupu machine with indo bubaba ni mafia. So after I believe Nande was there we got a Hanesianya for no Ebuea security operators. So how I will lose the confidence Papazia Kahabul machine Gabaza is it? So Ndinke Wakwane Kenewe or the same Ebuea people.
Yes.
Okay, now Onya Ekene Bukwana machine or survive we are
I can't survive because I used to the way she got the second one.
Okay.
Because you the second one, no machine.
Okay, very good. Okay, if you were to get up because the machine, so only cause of Caesar Bahawal also Balaga.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, my brother, thank you very much. Thank you. I will get back to you. And I want you to stay safe wherever you are because you will be the next target. You will be the next target.
Yes.
They will do everything. But I'm putting the newly elected governor of Anambra State. I'm putting him on notice. You know, whenever we talk, people think we are just talking. Just this very morning, I told you people that these people, Ebuea and the so-called politicians around that area, that they have called for meeting. And I warned all the youth not to go. I warned them. I told them not to go. Because I knew that this will happen if they go to that meeting. Ekene is gone. Do you want me? I don't know if I show the picture of Ekene, what will happen? This is Ekene. Ekene is gone as I'm talking to you. Ekene is gone. And there will never be anyone like Ekene because of Ebuea. Because of Ebuea. And my question is this. Why will our leaders always keep quiet and allow these people to kill as much as they can before they will stop them? The same thing happened during the time of SARS. We keep complaining about SARS. SARS is killing people. SARS is killing people. SARS is killing people. The whole leaders we have in Igbo land, all of them keep mute. Now it's Ebuea. And this set of Ebuea is the same SARS they refined and bring them again in more deadly way. And Ebuea is killing the youth. The executive governor elected of Anambra State. What Ebuea is starting in Anambra State, what Ebuea is starting, it will not go down well with them. Just this morning, and I told every youth in here, listen to my program. When I tell you something, you listen. When I tell you something, you listen. Don't go to where they gossip. Because we have men, we have people who know what's going on. Just this morning. And I received this information around 7. Just that I was busy doing something. I received this information around 7 o'clock in the morning. And I called the youth and I told them, please, do not come out. Don't go to that meeting. What are you going there to do? What are you going there to do? Ekene went to the town meeting, and that's the end of Ekene. Ekene is gone. Let me bring someone else in, so that you may understand that we are not joking. Ekene is gone. As I'm talking to you, Ekene is dead. Ebuea operatives kill Ekene. Ebuea, not just only Ekene. A lot of people are calling me that they are a lot of people. And the Ebuea is behind all this. And the Ebuea with some confused Igbo youths are behind all this. Listen to me. If you will not listen to advice, then consider yourself dead. Because they are going to kill you. The reason why they will always tell you, don't listen to that Ikenga, because they knew that Ikenga know all their plan. They knew. There is no single plan these people have, I don't know. No single plan. When I ask you to stop, you stop. If I ask you to move, you move. It was just this morning. Just this morning. I called on the youth of Ihiala, the youth of Anambra. Anywhere they call you to come, do not go. What are you going there to do? The time we cried and asked for security, did they give us security? The time herdsmen was in our bush killing our mothers and fathers, killing the farmers, did they offer us security? Why is it now that we have covered almost all our place? They are giving us security. They are bringing security to kill you. You don't joke with my program. I will keep saying this. Do unejizina my program Ebuea. Unejizina Ebuea. Unejizina anything na gu Ebuea. Mo wa dara abia ko nene ni humo. Ife na bi gwa no buntu unejizina my program Ebuea. Unejizina Ebuea. And the executive governor of Anambra State, Ebiko, I'm a makihenji because I see, oh, they are instigating war. They are making troubles. Tell Ebuea to go back to wherever they are coming from. Tell them to go back to wherever they are coming from. Tell Ebuea to stop killing our youth. We don't know where they came from. Tell them to go back wherever, that hell where they come from. Tell them to go back there. And I want the youth to always listen. I will be bringing security alert. If I tell you and you refuse, you will go and meet your early grave. That's all. Because I will not lie to you. Why will I lie to you? With my level in this struggle, I can't come out and tell you what is not true. I can't come out and use the name of IPOB and lie. Everything I tell you is as it takes. Do not go to that meeting. Didn't I say it? See the youth, that program. The same thing happened in Asaba. Is a repetition of Asaba massacre. You don't know the story of Asaba massacre. You have to learn. You have to learn. The same way they called you people. Oh, come one Nigeria. And you came. What happened? They massacred all of you. And this is just the repetition of Asaba massacre. And it never ends. They will be calling community by community. Come and identify you with it. It's opportunity to bring you out and kill you. The security alert. Anything that's your own business. But you have to be very careful. Soldiers, Ebuea from Imo State, Ebuea from the other state is now invading Anambra State. Soldiers from the other state is now invading, and I wonder what Chukuma Soludo is doing. The person in Nabo is not taking the call. No. Mana, tomorrow morning, family in the one.
That will be all from us today. I really hope to see you in our next video. If there's anything you like to comment about, feel free to comment at the comment section, okay? And we will get back to you. As always, thanks for watching.